how to merge accounts in GoDaddy. So I will refer you to this article here, merge GoDaddy accounts. Basically, it's telling us that if you would like to merge accounts, you will need to contact GoDaddy support. So basically right here, after we have logged into GoDaddy, we will click on the contact us button. And this will take you to your specific region's contact options. So as you can see here, I only have the phone number available, so I can call them and request a merging of two of my GoDaddy accounts. And if you are, well, not lucky, but if you're in a different region here, you will have the chat now button as is displayed here in the article. And you can just click on chat now and you can contact GoDaddy support directly and explain that you have, or that you want to merge two GoDaddy accounts, and they will assist you with the process. So that's basically how you do it. You either call them or you text them here and they will merge the accounts for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.